In this video, I'll show you how to fix application fail to start. Now first what you want to do is come down here and search for Windows Update. Come in here and check for updates. If you have an update, just make sure that you take it. The next one is you want to come here and search for apps and features. In here you want to search for C++. Now if you have 2 or if you have 10, it doesn't matter. If you have these, what you want to do is click on each individually, press modify, and this one should pop up. In here you want to press repair and let it repair. Now then what you want to do is do the exact same for the next one and the next one until you've done all of your C++. Now after that what you want to do is come in here, Google Visual C++ download, click on the download one right here. From in here you'll get a download up here, and what you want to do is simply launch this installer and it will update and download the latest C++. Now if you already have it, the repair thing from in here should fix it. Now after you've done all of this, your issue should hopefully be fixed, because usually this is just a C++ problem. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.